G'day everyone, hope all's well with you, and today is Keeping It Single Saturday. And today we draw the Two of Hearts. So we go to our slot of number 2. We got 1, 2, and it is a Heritage 2019. Don't see hobby pack on there, so maybe it came from something else, or maybe they didn't put a hobby stamp on there. But let's see what we got. Got a Michael Lorenzen, got a Reyes Martona, Jose Quintana, and Jerkinson Profar, Jose Barrios, Jason Hayward. Those Cubs, shout out to Grim Ripper and Don't Talk to Robots. Not a Lou Torino, not the golfer. There's a Matt Kitt and a Jan's Gomes. So, all right, everybody, like the video, helps it out a lot. Comment down below what your favorite card was. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Very much appreciated. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Make sure your notification bell is set to all. That way you get all the notifications when I put out new content, and I will talk to you later.